Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by validating the essentials, your carrier plan and current data. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot, toggle Allow others to join. Do this now so the phone advertises a network. Next, set or confirm the Wi-Fi password. This secures the link and prevents unauthorized use. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data is on because the hotspot uses your cellular connection. Once done, your iPhone broadcasts the SSID you just verified. Now connect your other device in the method you prefer. Wi-Fi is fastest to start, Bluetooth can save battery, and USB gives a stable link. On the client device, choose the iPhone network name and type the password you set. If you use USB, plug the lightning cable in, tap Trust on the iPhone if prompted, and enable Personal Hotspot while connected. This allows the computer to use the phone's data. Keep cellular data active and monitor the iPhone's hotspot indicator at the top. Finish by confirming the client has internet. Look for the blue hotspot bar on your iPhone or the tether icon on the client device. If the client cannot connect, first toggle Personal Hotspot and cellular data off, wait a few seconds, then turn them back on. This often clears session issues. If that doesn't work, restart both devices, check for iOS updates, and install any carrier settings updates. One key troubleshooting tip. Resetting network settings can resolve persistent problems, but
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.